This is Ramandeep. I am running an IT firm with the name of Monster Web Solutions. We have organized an adventurous trip to Hill Himalayas. Our whole team is very excited for this trip. So we will keep you update regarding this trip in our vlog. So enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, this is Raghav from Monster Web Solution and I am taking this vlog ahead on behalf of our team. So if we talk about the experience, it was amazing there and in this video and you will be able to get to know more about it. So we did breakfast at this place and after that we went to enjoy a lot there. At this point we were unable to find the location and then their guide came and helped us to reach the location. But the view was amazing and that area was stiff and it was not very easy to reach that destination, but we did that smoothly and we were all hyped up and excited to know the more adventure activities we can perform there. After reaching the destination we took some rest and then we were all set to know the guidelines that we need to follow there. So now you can see the camps where we stayed. These camps were very tidy and aligned in such a manner that you can experience a proper camping feel. There were attached washroom there and everything was all set to enjoy this day. And then we were headed with the guidelines that we need to follow in this COVID-19 situation for our safety and to preserve the environment as well. So we then took some photographs there and after that we went for the lunch. The lunch was very delicious. It was proper North Indian food and after that we went for the जिप लाइन पार्ट.
ये मैं हूँ, ये हमारी टीम है और हमारी जिप लाइन जा रहे हैं हम. हमारी सारी टीम आ रही है.
Now you can see our whole team going forward for this zip line and now you can hear directly from them.
Bye.
Bye.
You want to say anything?
मेरा हेलमेट ठीक नहीं है राघव.
चलो चलो चलो. Yeah, चलो सर.
The one of the best things that we did there were the adventure activities and including the zip line and additional things from the rope climbing and everything. You will get to know more about it in the upcoming slides. After reaching the entry mark, we were advised that we need to follow the guidelines that they advised and we need to just move a bit there and after that the rope will drag us in such a manner that we will reach to A point to the B point. Now you can see how every member is coming down and you can judge who did it the best. After the zipline there were other activities too, the adventure activities. You can see that in the upcoming slides. In evening we had the bonfire part where we enjoyed a lot and we also did some dance there and everyone enjoyed very much and all our tiredness went away after dancing. Next morning we were all freshed up and were ready for the trekking. That was the best thing that we did there. The trekking was around 6 km in total. You can say the 3 km halfways and the waterfall to the journey of the travel was amazing there. You can see that too in the following slides. And now comes the best part, the hands down the best part there, the waterfall. Its water was very cold and we also took a lot of photographs there and after that we went back and we can proudly say that it was one of our best trips and we will surely say that this place was very good and the more trips and the more travel is coming soon.
Hi Karan sir, how was the trip?
It was amazing and I enjoyed a lot.
So guys, how can you define that place in a hashtag?
Hashtag chilling. Hashtag must.
and hashtag peaceful area.
Hello guys, what was the best memorable moment there?
Not only a single thing, overall the trip was amazing.
And we created there countless memories. Best trekking place.
We enjoyed a lot there. We make a fun.
Awesome adventurous activities.
और मैंने ना वहाँ पे अपने शेड्स और स्कार्फ भी घूम कर
But place बहुत अच्छा है. वहाँ पे सबको जाना चाहिए, visit करना चाहिए. Adventurous activities.
बहुत अच्छी कराते हैं.
Hello guys, so what was the best activity in the trip?
Tracking zip line is so good.
Okay, so will you recommend this place?
Yeah, definitely.
Of course. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, then
Like, share, and subscribe.